Our CVBS input wireless video transmitter and receiver currently supports PAL cameras by default, but does not support NTSC cameras. Today, one customer encountered this problem. In this video, I use NTSC and PAL cameras to input the wireless video transmitter is here to demonstrate, hoping to help you understand this cheap 2W20W power amplifier optional wireless video transmission system. Let us test the NTSC camera first. Check the camera system first. Is this camera NTSC or PAL? Connect the power. Connect the video power. Look here. Screen has video now. The camera is okay. Now, let's see what kind of this camera. This monitor automatically detects that the current camera is NTSC. Then we'll test this camera on the wireless video transmitter. Power on the receiver. Connect the HDMI on the receiver. Then connect the transmitter. Now, see the transmitter. After power up, the transmitter is not connected to the video input. At the side, only one indicator light is on. Only one light here. Now connect the camera. This camera is working okay. It is a NTSC camera. Connect the power for camera. Connect the camera to video input. The camera has power and working now. It shows the signal is locked on the screen of the receiver. And this camera just tested okay on the monitor. Let us see the side indicate light again. It is still only one is on. But the receiver can't receive and show the video. It's because this camera is NTSC. So, we guess that the customer also used the NTSC camera. We meet this same problem. Currently the receiver's screen is black. So NTSC camera is not okay for this transmitter. Now, let us take another camera. Let us test this camera first. Is it NTSC or PAL? Power on this camera. And then look at it on the monitor. Current connected camera is NTSC or PAL. Now, the screen has shown the video of the camera. Now, we check the menu. Here, PAL. Now, we connect this PAL camera to the transmitter. Connect the video input of the transmitter. The monitor connected to the receiver now has video. The receiver has received the signal. So, according to this video test, if you meet the similar problem, please test it by PAL camera. If you have any problems, please contact us. We will provide technical support.